For many New Yorkers, reliable internet and cell phone service is a given. But for rural communities, it can be a daily struggle that impacts connection, safety, and opportunity. Reliable internet and cell service are becoming more essential parts of everyday life, but not everyone has the same access. I spoke with New York State Senator Peter Oberacker about his efforts to strengthen service and bridge the gap.
It does not matter who you are, and it does not matter what you do, but it matters where you live as far as the ability to, get connected. The ruralness of this district, the ruralness of the counties that I represent, it's a huge issue. I mean, look at today, how much stuff we order, my taxes, those type of things that we all do online. So it's a big deal.
While the initiative has seen progress, it's not without its challenges.
For a plethora of reasons. I mean, terrain, the mountains, and just the absolute ruralness of my district is the huge challenge with getting us all hooked up. Geographic is probably, yes, the number one. The next would be kind of regulatory. We tend to put some roadblocks unnecessarily, unfortunately, up. So definitely the ruralness is number one. Second is regulatory, without a doubt.
The senator urges anyone experiencing connectivity challenges to reach out and make their concerns heard.
So one of the things is to actually send us emails, send me emails. I get the best information from that. To be able to come back to, say, a committee meeting and say I have 300 emails here in my hand of people who are desiring of this service and don't have it because of X, Y, and Z. Those things do have an impact. So I would say reach out to us via our Senate website. I know we could make an impact.